So we offer hands-on training to our students, not only in the classroom during their theory hours, as well as their first 10 weeks in the classroom on mannequins, but also on live people that they can service Tuesday through Saturday during their clinic floor hours. The programs here at T-Spa different than other schools because not only do we offer the regular classroom time that all schools offer, but also we run a Summit Salon program. So we're teaching them not just the hair side, but also the business side. Here at the Salon Professional Academy, we teach a principally based education so that we're teaching our students not just what to think, but how to think, why they're doing the things that they're doing so that they can build on top of it to guide them through the rest of their careers. I love the idea that we are a brand-based school because it gives you the idea that you're not alone in beginning your career, but you're also starting with already a community and a support system behind you. We're teaching them to not only communicate with each other and support each other, but as well as build a bond with their guests. Teaching them to rebook before their next visit, getting them excited about the visit, booking experiences instead of appointments. That's something that we value, and that's something that our students take with them so that they leave not only with a book, but with a sense of communication and community.